No, it sound like a car.
Predator 212cc won't start. We're going to show you how to fix the problem.
Give me the spark plug thing.
All right, we're taking off the spark plug right now.
It's a 5/8 spark plug socket if you have a performance spark plug. Set your tools down nicely. Damn. Touch on the middle, huh?
It's getting spark.
It is?
Yeah, it's getting spark. It's got spark.
I don't see.
I see it from right here. It's getting spark. So a spark plug is good.
Getting spark. Spark plug is fantastic. Now what you do? Screw it back in there.
And these are beautiful engines. Oh my God. They take off fast.
You know what you sound like saying that?
Go.
Now we are tightening back up the spark plug, and my cousin Jermaine sounded like a pervert by saying that. Call the police on you.
Go. What's the problem?
Yeah, I figured it out.
What is it?
Choke. That's what.
So it's the choke.
Choke is not closing it all the way. Down! Scoot!